So get rid of me is that girl Nia on the block. Hello. So I'm there ironing out the dress that I just had on. Then I'm eating some dumpling banana and pumpkin with callaloo. Hello. Then me I make some tea with Milo and put some milk in it because you know say no fresh tea to the dal. Okay. Put in some ato for the simmer that round and mix it and yeah me I eat right now. We eat fast and then me I wash and we spit like that. So anyways, put on the clothes, put on the roll and put on the clothes now. Then I get the white belt, snatch it with the dress there because it's like a big if I put it on, isn't it? So yeah, spritz up because no stickness to the doll. Anyways, I have my face to still put on that ear. They never really need the ear, but I still put it on, okay? Because just to get the feel and yeah, my elastic is on now, intact and everything. So I do and look up at dance and so I say. Then now guys, I do the edges. First I'm going with some what that name soft touch. Yes, the edge in the white up and then I'm going with some fashion plus. Understand? For the edges so you can sleek and everything and all them something. So yeah guys, then I'm done and ready. For more longer vlogs, you must subscribe to my channel, like up this video and big up on yourself. Love ya. Oh, so yes guys, me do my lip combo, put on some lip gloss, classy. Yeah, ready.